Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're discussing how to connect your YouTube to n8n. So of course, firstly, before you do this, make sure to create a Google account, and of course after that create a YouTube account, and of course make sure you're logged in. And after that press on the plus in here in n8n, then in Notes press YouTube, select it. For example, choose create a playlist. You can choose any action you want. After that, credential to connect with, create new. And after that, you need client ID in secret. Right, now in the new tab, type in console cloud.google.com and go to this website. Okay, so now in this window, we need to create a new project. So for that, let us choose this, then click on new project. Name it YouTube, for example, and press on create. Okay, now it's going to be created, and then after it's done, just choose it. Okay, select project. Okay, and after you're managing your project, press on this navigation menu on the left, then APIs and services, and choose the one on the top, enabled APIs and services. Okay, now guys, click on OAuth consent screen, and now press on get started. In here, we will create our basically credentials, which is the ID and secret. Okay, in here guys, application type, let us choose web application, name it test, for example, 123. Now where it says authorized redirect URLs, press on add URI, and back from n8n, just click on this and copy this OAuth redirect URL. Copy, now insert it in here, and press on create. Okay, and as you can see guys, now we have our client ID. Now just copy it and insert it. The client IDs should be right over here. Okay, now press OK. Now press on your newly created application, and now press on Add Secret. And now you can pretty much copy this secret, copy it, and insert it in here in the field. And now press on Sign in with Google. And choose your account. And after this, your account will be successfully added and connected to n8n. Guys, enjoy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.